The mullet is back. And no, I'm not talking about the kind of mullet your dad was rocking back in the 80s. I'm talking about the modern mullet. Clean up front, faded on the sides, but still got the party going on in the back. So today, I'm gonna show you how to style the modern mullet and how I've actually been using this hair dryer from Brio that makes the styling process way easier, but I'll show you how that works later on in the routine. We first gotta talk about the first step, and that is prepping your hair. That's right, before we get into the fun stuff, which is styling the hair, you gotta make sure your hair is prepped right. First things first, always start with clean, towel-dried hair. Fresh out the shower is perfect. Now, you don't want your hair to be like soaking wet, but leaving a little moisture in there will make it so much easier to work with. Because trust me, if you dry your hair completely, it's gonna fight against you once you start styling it. But once my hair is nice and damp, I like to use a little bit of a leave-in conditioner or a light detangler. It just helps keep everything soft and manageable, especially if your hair is a bit thicker or wavier like mine. Once your hair is prepped and you're not dealing with any tangles or frizziness, you are now ready to move on to the fun stuff, which is styling your mullet. And the absolute key to a perfect modern mullet is volume on top. You want the front to look clean, but with some height and some volume, just to give it that nice modern look. I'm using a bit of sea salt spray to give my hair some texture. I just work it into the roots just to give my hair some texture and some volume, and just to make sure it holds everything in place. But now is when I'll actually use that Brio hair dryer that I was talking about earlier, which will help lock in that volume. What I like about this dryer is the heat control. It doesn't absolutely fry your hair like some other hair dryers out there, but as I dry, I actually use my fingers to kind of lift my hair up even more to just give it some more volume and some extra height. And while I'm doing this, I'm only focusing on the top. Don't worry about the sides or back yet. I just do a few passes with the dryer just to keep everything nice and airy, but still nice and neat. But now that the top looks good, let's move on to the back, you know, where the party happens. Now, you're gonna want to keep this kind of laid back, but still texturized and styled, so it's just not like a complete mess. I'll use a little bit of sea salt spray here too, just to define the flow. Then I'll just start scrunching my hair to give it a bit of texture, while still keeping it looking natural. The idea is to let it have some movement, so it's still got that mullet vibe, but in a way that still looks good today. Now, the side. For the modern mullet, it's all about contrast. Clean, faded sides with some volume on top. So when I went into the barber, I asked specifically for a mid fade, which I think looks perfect for this hairstyle. And then, all right, here is the finished look, the modern mullet in all of its beautiful glory. Again, we've got the clean fade on the sides, some nice solid volume up on top, and of course, the nice signature flow in the back. This right here is how you take the classic mullet and make it work for today. It's sharp, it's balanced, and it's got just the right amount of edge to it. So if you want to try the modern mullet out for yourself, you need to check out the Brio hair dryer I used, because I promise you it makes the styling process so much easier. You can actually grab one in the link in the description and use my code COLE10 for 10% off. Also, if you try out this look, tag me in the pictures once you get the haircut. I'm not gonna lie, I want to compare mullets. I want to see who can pull it off more. Alright, that's it for today. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next one.